In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design a modern burger poster in Canva. Whether you're a graphic design enthusiast or just starting out, Canva provides an incredibly user-friendly platform that simplifies the creative process, making it accessible to everyone. Let's dive in and create something that will undoubtedly capture the appetite of your audience. First things first, open your Canva application or navigate to their website. Once you're in, you'll want to create a new design. To do this, look for the Create a Design button, usually found at the top of the homepage, and select Poster from the list of options. This will provide you with a blank canvas, perfectly sized for poster printing, that gives you plenty of room to show off your creativity. Next, we need to set the backdrop for our mouth-watering design. A clean, dark background works wonders in making your burger image pop and grabbing attention. Opt for something dark yet subtle, like a charcoal black or deep navy, which helps other elements of your design stand out without being overwhelming. Now it's time to bring the star of the show onto the stage. Upload a high-resolution photo of a burger. Make sure your burger image is crisp, clear, and drool-worthy. A high-quality image will make your poster look professional and appealing. With your photo uploaded, it's time to work some magic on it by using Canva's Background Remover tool. Click on the image, and then find the Background Remover option located somewhere at the top or side toolbar. This tool will help you neatly cut out the burger from any unnecessary background clutter, allowing it to integrate seamlessly into your dark poster base. It focuses all the visual weight on the burger itself, making it the unmistakable highlight. Once your burger is perfectly placed, it's time to add some text. Head over to the toolbar on the left and click on Text. Here, you can add punchy, appetizing headlines that match the vibe of your burger. Use bold, striking fonts to catch the eye. Think of text that accentuates your theme or messages like freshly grilled or taste explosion that create a sensory anticipation. To make these headlines stand out even more, use Canva's Elements tool to incorporate simple shapes behind your text. Select from frames and shapes to add a contrasting layer behind your words. This not only emphasizes your message, but also adds depth and dimension to your design. And there you have it, a modern burger poster that is ready to tantalize taste buds and create cravings. With these straightforward steps and handy features in Canva, you can craft something that is both visually stunning and effective in delivering your message. Happy designing!